There's a myth in the markets that successful traders were born with a gift, that they saw charts once and instantly understood everything. But the truth? Many of them started by accident, confused, unprepared, even misled. Today's story is about one such person, not a prodigy, not a finance graduate, just an ordinary professional who answered the wrong advertisement and found the right calling.
Years ago, this man wasn't studying markets. He wasn't watching charts. He wasn't even interested in finance. He was working in a completely different field. Stable career, predictable life, logical future. One morning, he noticed a small advertisement about commodity trading. Out of curiosity, not ambition, he responded. A broker called, explained the opportunity, promised potential. An account was opened. And just like that, without preparation, without a plan, he entered the markets. At first, everything went right. Profits came quickly. Trades worked magically. Confidence skyrocketed. It felt easy. Too easy. Then reality arrived. The same speed that brought success brought failure. Losses erased gains. Decisions made by others cost him dearly. And for the first time, he realized something powerful. Luck is not a strategy. Instead of quitting, he did something most people never do. He stepped back. No more tips, no more blind trust, no more emotional trades. He began studying, not to predict the market, but to understand behavior, patterns, cycles, repetition. He discovered that markets are not random chaos. They are reflections of human nature, fear, greed, patience, panic. And human nature repeats.
He stopped chasing every move, stopped trying to be right all the time, stopped trading noise. Instead, he waited for clear opportunities, for moments where the signal was obvious, not complicated. His philosophy became simple. If something is not clear, it is not a trade. He chose liquid markets over obscure ones, discipline over excitement, process over prediction, and slowly, consistency replaced luck.
Over time, he didn't just trade, he taught, he wrote, he shared what he learned not as theory, but as survival knowledge. Because he realized there is more misinformation in markets than information, more shortcuts sold than skills built. And that's why most people never succeed. They try to boom first without ever building. The market rewards builders, not gamblers, not followers, not those searching for the next hot tip. It rewards those who start with enough capital to survive mistakes. Focus on meaningful moves, not constant action. Diversify instead of concentrating risk, and above all, manage risk like their future depends on it. Because it does.
This story is not about one trader. It's about anyone who has ever entered the market the wrong way, lost confidence, felt overwhelmed, and decided to learn instead of quit. Success in markets is not about when you start. It's about when you take responsibility. So if you're listening today, remember, don't chase the boom. Don't rush the outcome. Build the discipline. Build the understanding. Build the system. And when the boom comes, you'll already be ready.